Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuse for the cooling seats is located, if you have that option, that fuse is extremely hidden, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, and why guys it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. Guys, the cooling seats fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. Now you guys have a fuse box that's actually hidden under the hood. Go ahead, open the hood, and what you need to do here, okay, you see on the driver's side you have that cover that looks like a T. Go ahead guys, open that cover, and underneath you're going to find out that you have a fuse box that looks like this one. Now here you have a couple of tabs guys that if you open them, actually on the bottom of that fuse box you have more fuses that will look like this one. That's the same fuse box, but that's the bottom side. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here, if you have the cooling seats, which fuse you need to check specifically, ours does not have that option, but we'll just explain the location of the fuse so that way you know where you can find it. It's just one fuse, and if you come in this row of fuses right here, okay, you can see right here the fuse numbers, now they go like that. 73 and then 77 is that second fuse here. That's the one that you will guys need to check for the cooling seats if they do not work. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.